Bonjour. The second line of your budget is your food and beverage incomes. The occupancy rate may directly or indirectly influence the revenue of your food and beverage outlets. For example, your main restaurant where breakfast is taken will be directly impacted by your occupancy. Whereas, if you have a very popular bar with 90% of external customers, your occupancy rate will have little influence. Therefore, you will work closely this time with your food and beverage director and your operation director. You will analyze each outlet, analyze the impact of the change in the hotel occupancy rate on these centers. You will also analyze the impact on incomes in your outlets that a new global food and beverage strategy detailed in the guidelines can have. Unlike rooms, you are not going to do a day-by-day analysis. However, you will use a lot of analysis of the average ticket and the number of covers to make your budget, and your result must be logical. If they are not, the owner or asset manager could challenge you during the budget presentation, which you do not want. Then, you will do more or less the same process with the other revenue centers, such as the spa, the boutique, the laundry, the golf, etc. You will do this with the operation director and the manager of each profit center. In the next video, we will see the expenses.